안녕! I'm going to make one of my favorite Korean dish, soft top stew, Sundubujjigae. I'm so excited when it bubbles over and I like the simmering sounds. It makes me hungry. In Korean restaurant, they have many kinds of soft top stew. Beef soft top stew, seafood soft top stew. Oh my god, it's hard to pronounce. Beef 순두부찌개, oyster 순두부찌개, seafood 순두부찌개, and dumpling 순두부찌개, like that. Anyway, that means you can add meat or vegetables or seafood, anything you want. So just open your refrigerator and check what you have. I have beef and clams, so I'm gonna use them today. So, let's set the table. You will need soft tofu, ground meat, seafood like clam or shrimp, green onion, 16 ounces 500 ml water, 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoon oil, and an egg. Moreover, it's good if you have this kind of packet. Anchovy and kelp are in this packet, and it's good for making broth for Korean dish. It's very convenient. I'm gonna boil broth first. In a pot, pour 16 ounces 500 ml water and put this packet and bring to a boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the ingredients. Remove the beef's blood using paper towel and wash clam meat. Round cut green onion. Half cup is enough. I'm going to use tukbaegi, earthen pot. Tukbaegi retains heat and does not cool off as soon as removed from the stove. So stews and soups in tukbaegi usually arrive at the table at a bubbling boil. Heat a tukbaegi over medium heat and add 2.5 tablespoons oil. And put half cup green onions and keep stirring until the oil is sizzling. Then put 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Keep stirring and taking care not to burn the red pepper flakes. Add ground meat and stir fry for 2 minutes over low heat. I'm going to add broth. You can add just water as well. Just put 1 cup of broth and bring to a boil. Add clams and cut this soft top package like this. There is a line. And put tofu in a pot. Add 1 or half cup broth, depending on the size of pot. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 15 minutes. Season with salt if necessary. Add an egg into the boiling stew and garnish with chili peppers. Remove from the heat. It's done! 잘 먹겠습니다. I love this part. Beat the yolk and spoon up with tofu and soup. Woohoo! The texture of this soft top stew is so lovely, and the spiciness is addictive. And the important thing is you shouldn't use detergent when you wash this tukbaegi, because tukbaegi has very little and tiny holes inside. So detergent could permeate in tukbaegi and it comes out again when you cook. That's why we need to wash this with baking soda. So, today I made Sundubujjigae, soft top stew. You can make it easily at home with ingredients you have. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. It helps me a lot. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.